In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView stock screener for short-term swing trading. And the best part is, this strategy is absolutely free. If you're new to swing trading or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the steps of setting up a stock screener to help you identify promising short-term trades. To begin, head over to TradingView's website. It's a fantastic platform offering powerful tools for market analysis, and the stock screener feature is perfect for zeroing in on stocks that meet your criteria for short-term trades. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the Screeners tab. Click on it and then select Stocks from the drop-down menu. This action will open up the stock screener interface, which is loaded with a variety of filters you can use. Next, you'll want to fine-tune your screener settings to suit swing trading. Start by clicking on the Analyst Rating option. This allows you to include stocks with favorable analyst ratings, which can serve as an indicator of potential price movements. Once you've selected that, click on the Move to the Start button. This makes sure the stocks with the best analyst ratings are prominently displayed, giving you a quick glance at potentially strong picks. A key metric to look at is the percentage change over a given period. Click on Change Percent to adjust it to the criteria that best fit your trading strategy. To manage the time frame over which these changes are calculated, you'll want to go into the column settings. Click on Column Settings and adjust the time frame from 1 day to 1 week. This shift allows you to focus on stocks that have shown movement over a slightly longer period, which is especially useful in swing trading. After making these adjustments, click Apply to cement your settings. The next parameter to think about is volume. By clicking on the volume column, you can gain insights into how actively a stock is being traded. Typically, you'd want to focus on stocks with higher volumes as they indicate better liquidity and potential price action. Just like before, head back into the column settings by clicking on Column Settings and change the time frame for volume from 1 day to 1 week. This adjustment will present a broader view of trading activity and can help identify sustained interest in the stock. Once again, click Apply to save these settings. Finally, to ensure that you're seeing the most actively traded stocks, click on Volume again and select Sort Descending. This ensures that the stocks with the highest trading volume are at the top of your list. And there you have it. You've now set up a powerful stock screener that will help you identify potential swing trades efficiently. Remember, always combine technical findings with thorough research. Happy trading!